Yeah, so so this is your code here. You can see give your stuff here. You can just kind of inspect. Okay, normally it won't display well, so you have to it's a kind of glitch or something like that. So you have to change to responsive, close the developer tools and refresh. So you come back. Okay, working fine. So from here you can kind of simulate a different phone. Okay, so this is how it look on 8 plus. You can see it. Now you can scroll down and then you look at stuff that is not working properly. So basically one thing you notice is look at this. It's overlapping the sign in. So you just come to the select element stuff and easy to select this neatly. So when you select it, you should see the style applied to it here. So from you can make adjustments. For example, I can change it to 10. You can see it's moved. So basically, you know that you just have to apply it in one of the media queries. This thing. That okay, once it reaches so viewport, change the margin left of the left margin of this class, change it to 10 pixel, and it will work fine. You can even move this sign it to the other end. So I'm just going to select it. Remember, I click here and then I select the sign in. Okay, margin right, so I can apply 10 pixel to 10. Fine. So look at that. So I can scroll down here. This is kind of touching the head here. So okay, you already have it. Padding top. I can just send you padding. Right, so padding everywhere. Okay, I think it's a little bit okay. So you just do like select the particular element. Once you select the particular element, you come over here and then the style stuff and you try to modify. So once you are done with the modification, then you can now go to your supply items or VS Code and make the modification there and then it will be permanent. So that's just basically. So it's working fine. It's working fine. It's good to have numerous browsers to test because sometimes Google Chrome do act like Wish. You do act like Wizard, and then you'll not be able to get the true distance. So you just need to maybe open Mozilla Firefox. Like now, I'm using Internet Explorer to test the distance. I can see that it's working fine. If I go to Google Chrome now and I test the same thing in Google Chrome. Okay, I'm going to inspect. Look at that. Let me change it to responsive. I'm going to refresh, inspect. Okay, let me change it to nice it. Look at that. Oh, thank God, it's working fine. It's working fine. Can you see? Can you see that it's working fine? So you just need to do the same thing I mentioned there. Let's change it to user 5. Look at that. It's working fine. So the responsiveness is okay. You just need to make some modifications in the thing like this link over here. You change and then the link to the color. The color is kind of blue. You need to change the color, the text color. And to change that, you just need to okay, let me just say big con it. Yeah, big con hit. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so it's general. It's general. You can just do big con hit. Let me see. Oh, fuck. No, these no sounds. Oh, I don't have it open here. Okay, don't worry. Let me come here. Let me modify it here. Just put it anyway. Dot big on 8. I hope I'm right. So you select the topic on it and then you choose the hand calling, that's the A, and color white. Let's see that. Has it run? Okay, no, it's not working. Maybe I did not select the right this thing. Let me see that. Uh, I'm just trying to look. Okay, the C is small letter. The C there is small letter. Sorry. Now look at that white. Okay, it's into white. So just you select the anchor tag and then you change it to whatever color you want to change it to, and then you can now modify the over. That's when you hover around it, or maybe when you click on it, it should act like something big on it. E wow. Okay, color blue. Yeah. So when I hover around it, it's color blues. Kind of shows that is a link. So that just it's so you can see that your code is actually good. It looks good on mobile. You see, it has changed again. You see what I told you about the stupid Chrome of it. Thing. It just acts funny sometimes. It acts weird. So once something like that happens, you change it to responsive. You close, refresh, open back, and then it should work fine now. So let's read back. Look at that. You see it's working fine now. So that is it. So when you test across multiple browsers, you'll be able to get the right one and then you deploy.